Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 77, Activity. This video presents another lateral thinking puzzle and I will go to it right now. And thank you for enjoying some of those puzzles I've been giving you in the past. Here is the current one. Name a particular activity where the winning team moves backward and the losing team moves forward. A clue will be given on the next slide. So I'll leave this slide on for a few minutes, and please don't seek the clue out yet. Try and solve it first, and in exactly 2 minutes I'll go to the next slide with the clue. Okay, how did you go? Do you need the clue? I don't know, but I will give you one now, just in case you need it. So the puzzle was, name a particular activity where the winning team moves backward and the losing team moves forward, and the clue is this diagram. I will just leave that diagram there for another minute. That might help you get the answer, and then we'll have the answer on the next slide. Okay, I wonder how you went. Okay, here's the answer, and good luck if you've got it. Let's have a look. Name a particular activity where the winning team moves backward and the losing team moves forward, and the answer is tug of war. And I think that's very self-explanatory. I don't even have to explain it. I hope you enjoyed the puzzle, and I'll have more coming daily. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide, and we'll go there right now.